guys, hope you are doing well. As a hairdresser and trainer, I get a lot of questions about hair from hairdressers and salon clients. So for this episode, we have 5 questions about hair color. Question number 1, why I cannot cover the gray hair using the light colors? Question number 2, why does the permanent hair color fade? Question number 3, why does the crazy color fade? Question number 4, what is the difference between ammonia-free and ammonia color? Question number 5, can you change my black hair to blonde without using the bleach powder? So first of all, when we do the consultation with our client, we will check the hair. Some people, they have 50% gray hair and 50% dark shades, and they want to go really light. As we know, the permanent hair color can lift the natural hair maximum 4 levels. If the client hair, it's like level 2 or 3 dark, and they want to go level 8, 9, with the color it will not be possible. So a lot of hairdressers, what they do, they take number 9, they apply to the hair. So what's happening, we cover with the 9 the white hair, but we are not able to lift the natural hair to match level 9. So in the case when the client will look to the mirror, she will have 2 different shades, so she will feel like doesn't cover the gray hair. I want you to know that why the color is fade. It's fade from washing the hair when I'm using really strong shampoo, high sulfate shampoo. As well, if I am using very hot tools, also making color fading. As well, if I have my color on damaged hair, the fading will be much more faster. So what I recommend whenever we do the coloring, and we will recommend to our client to use the Color Save shampoo. So this will keep the color longer lasting. As well, we will recommend them like the heat protection before doing any styling to use it. So this will prevent color fading. As well, UV protection when they go to the beach or they swim, this product will protect it from the UV. As well, they will have long-lasting color. So when I say whenever you are working on damaged hair, let's say my client, she come to me, she has really damaged hair. So to make the hair last longer, I need to make the hair healthier. So healthy hair, long-lasting color. So here I will recommend to my client a treatment sessions like with the bond builder treatments that will make the hair more healthy, more strong. So we will have longer lasting color. So it's really tricky question. So here it will be, I will divide it for 2 sections. Section number 1 will be depends of your hair. So if you have healthy hair, long lasting color, as we know. And the section number 2, it will be depends of the deepness of the crazy color. So if I am working on pastel tones, so the color fading will be more faster comparing if I'm working on the, for example, red or blue, green, the deep tones. So hope this will be help. As well, any color fading, as I recommend before, to use the right shampoo, use heat protection. Also, you can, do all these things to have long-lasting color. Let's say we are speaking about permanent hair color, okay? So there is permanent hair color with ammonia. There is permanent hair color without ammonia. So what is the chemical ingredient that there is inside? It's called methylenamine. So what is methylenamine? It's an alkaline. What is ammonia? It's an alkaline. So what is the job of alkaline when we are doing the coloring? The job is to open the cuticle so the color can go and penetrate inside of the hair. Ammonia-free color is good for people they are pregnant. Why? Because this smell doesn't affect them. So as well, if you have allergy from ammonia color, so you can use the ammonia-free color. So ammonia-free color, permanent color, doesn't mean that it's a healthier or it's a better. Still, we are working with the same chemical ingredients, but in a different names. So if I will say ammonia-free, demi-permanent, semi-permanent color, direct pigment, so they are free of ammonia and they are free of alkaline. People, why they will tell you I don't want bleach? Because they are scared from the bleach or they have bad experience from it. So here the time is like to do the right consultation with my client, to tell the client that we have the cream lightener. So basically cream lightener, it's a bleach, but with a cream base with protection inside. As well, we have all these bond technologies now, the bond builders that we can add inside of this product to protect the hair. So people, they are scared from the bleach because they are scared from the result. If you give the confidence to your client and explain to her the way that you are applying the product using the lower volume, using thin sectioning, keep and controlling the hair, so the result will be amazing. So don't be scared from the lightening, from the bleaching. Whenever you are working with professional product, be sure that you really understand and know what you are doing. So if you want to watch this kind of videos, please write in the comment below what questions you have and what answer will help you to build your career.